Hi friends, welcome to Gizbot YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about a new Infinix smartphone that is being launched in India. Now the highlight of this smartphone is that it's the first 5G smartphone from the company. So let's take a look at this video and know the highlights of this device from here. Now this is the retail package of the Infinix Zero 5G smartphone. Now let me unbox this and see what are the aspects that are bundled with this phone. So as you can see that this is the Infinix smartphone. Now we'll talk about this smartphone later. We have the protective case that you can snap onto the rear of this smartphone. Also, the company has provided us with a screen guard. Also, we have some user manual. Now you can also opt for any other protective cases that you want to use along with this smartphone. Now here we have the USB Type-C charging cable and the Type-C adapter as well. Now taking a look at this smartphone, the device has nice smooth rounded corners and it is quite comfortable to hold. Also, it doesn't feel very lightweight, but it's not rather heavy as well. Now you can see that the rear is quite reflective and very nice and smooth design, but it can attract a lot of fingerprints, so you have to definitely snap on a case to prevent the fingerprint smudges. The company calls it to have a unique curved design, and you can see the camera bump over here. So the camera bump is visible and it houses a triple camera system and also a quad LED flash unit, and you can see the AI 48 megapixel camera marking over here. Also, the Infinix 5G branding is given at the bottom of the rear panel. When it comes to the controls, here we have the fingerprint sensor and the power button, which is at the right edge of the smartphone, and also the volume controls. And at the left edge, we have the SIM card tray. Now this SIM card tray also has a dedicated micro SD card slot. So let me show you the card slot. We have the provision for 2 SIM card slots and a micro SD card slot. Now apart from this, at the bottom we have a Type-C charging port and speaker grills. Also, the good thing is that we have a 3.5mm headphone jack for those who use wired headphones. Now talking about the other aspects of this smartphone, it has a 6.7-inch IPS LCD Full HD Plus display. Now the good thing about this display is that it has 120Hz refresh rate, so you can play games at a very smooth pace and there won't be any clutter or lag. We have some preloaded apps in this smartphone, but many seem to be useful as we have the Google Suite and we have the social networking apps such as Messenger, Instagram and Facebook, which could be useful for many people. Talking more about the hardware aspects of this smartphone, this device gets the power from MediaTek Dimensity 900 processor, which is coupled with 8GB of RAM that can be extended further by 3GB, and we have 128GB storage space. Now given that there's a micro SD card slot, we should be able to use ample storage in this smartphone. Now also it runs on Android 11 and it is topped with the company's XOS custom ROM. Now it gets the power from a 5000 mAh battery that comes with 33 watts fast charging as well. Talking about the imaging aspects, the Infinix smartphone has a punch hole cutout at the top center of the display for the 16 megapixel selfie camera. Now apart from this, the rear panel has 3 camera sensors. Now you can see that it has a 48 megapixel camera. Along with it, there is a 13 megapixel telephoto lens and a 2 megapixel tertiary lens as well. We have clicked some camera samples for you to take a look at the capabilities of this camera. Also, we will like to tell you that we will upload a detailed review with all these aspects in a very detailed manner. So this is the camera sample clicked with the 48 megapixel sensor and this is with the telephoto lens. Thanks for watching this video. You can also visit our Gizbot website for further updates regarding gadgets.